You're listening to Sounds for a Chosen Generation.
When the night gets heavy and your heart feels tight, I'm right here beside you. You ain't walking this fight. Breathe slow, let it out. You don't gotta stand alone, no doubt. We move together, step in sync. I'm right here, closer than you think. Got you, got you. If the world starts pressing in, I'll lift you up again. You ain't ever on your own. I'm steady like a cornerstone. On your own, no, 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 I got you. When the weight feels too much for you, I got you. Every step, every tear, I'm with you, I got you. You don't ever gotta doubt my love. You don't ever gotta stand alone. I got you.
You're listening to Sounds for a Chosen Generation.
If your hope starts fading low, lean on me, just let it flow. Hold each other up in faith, in every season, every place. No fear, no shame, no losing ground. I'm right here anytime you turn around, I'm there. If the light feels far away, I'll stay with you night and day. You don't gotta climb alone, just take my hand, I'll bring you home, yeah. Bring you home, I got you. When the storm starts rising up, I got you. Every mile, every trial we're facing, I got you. Oh, I got you. Side by side, just like we do. Walking strong, cause God made us true. I got you. If you fall, I'm lifting you. If you call,